Learning Center. At halftime, we are giving 6 tickets, concert tickets for Game Constantino on Friday, October 19. That will be mid-court shooting. Makashot, usa ticket. Okay? And the participants are from the audience. So audience, if you want to join the contest, you are requested to register at the committee's table upon atong ticket. Brian, asa man? Mid-court shooting. Okay? To be participating by the audience. Usara. Usara, lensa. Pwede practice ka usa, then final line yung kedua. Okay? Sir Roger, 2810. Or text us at 0915-559-4576 or at 0919-503-8009. Enrollment for second semester starts in October 1 and classes will start on November 5. So, kung gusto mong enroll, mag-enroll mo na may free ticket, concert ticket for Game Constantino. Go to AMA Computer Learning Center. And we also would like to encourage other schools to, if you can, if it is not so heavy for you, you just have to inform the committee. Olares versus number 13. Jump ball. There goes the ball. Number 11 gets the ball pass to intercepted with number 4 of STI. Computer Schools on the play. Well, Lokman, no good. Rebound number 9 down under baseline block. And there's contact. Again for you. What a shot. Score 2-7 in favor of 7. Number 18 to Rosal. Rosal, nice pass to Tayo for another goal layup. 2 points. Number 16 drives, left-hander, no good. Rebound, Tayo, pass to Pacho. Pacho all alone for an easy basket. It's a good run. Number 14, directing traffic, not Erdo. Pass to number 13, Rosal, 3-point attempt. No good, rebound number 15, fakes, fires, good. Shot. Leading shot, rebound, Rosal, oh, basket. It's number 4. Sabi na ng boxing rin ni Mayo. Number 14 drives, good. Number 14 on the break. STI, Ama number 14. Pass to number 8, Tayo. Tayo penetrates 5. Oh! Don't. Ayaw mapapilde ang net. Maguba ka itong camera sa taas. Wala tayo live coverage dito sa cable TV. Ayaw, apil namin sa cable. Number 8, Tayo. Photo shot, good. Number 14, nice pass to Tayo for easy basket. Yan, diba? Kaya, number 6. Tayo on the front row line for the bonus shot. Tayo's bonus shot is up. Counted. 1 point. First attempt is good. Second shot coming up for Obama. Wamasud, rebound, Ama. Number 17, to Cristiano, to Obama, to Rosal, back to... Nice shot from under the basket by number 4. Reverse, no good, rebound number 12, fires one. Rosal gets the rebound. Number 9. To number 5, 3-point attempt. No good. Rebound number 9, number 4. Number 4. Late shot. Number 8. Ama gets the rebound. Number 17. That's number 9. Left-hander. Tayo gets the rebound. Number 17. Number 9 is slowing it down for Ama Computer. To Rosal. To number 17, pass to Tayo. Tayo fakes. Tayo na. Rosal. To number 9. Easy for points by number 9.
Nice block by Olones. To Busol. Good ones, Busol. To Tim Dudumong, Jim Taab. Pass to Kapili. To Roy. Bawal. Isang. Oh, good ones, Busol.
Number 15, Browning. Trying to do the play. Tayo quick. Pass to number 18. Number 18, Bacho. To Flores. To Tayo. Tayo, 3-point attempt. Is short. Rebound. Won by number 18, Bacho. To number 13. Pass to number 8. Tayo. Double team. Pass to Flores. Wow, so rebound. There's a ball. 13 foul. STI. Sa kanya sumunod si Jimmy Peñalosa. Number 15. Nice pass to Tayo. Tayo. 3 seconds. Violation. Substitution. Number 4 out. Team number 15. Hinay lang. Pass ko yung kinahinay. Nagikuha ng videos na ka-table. Number 13 drives. Black. Number 13. Number 13 pass to number 6. Drives. Traveling extension. Number 9. Number 6. Pass to number 4. Baseline drive. Reverse, no good. Rebound number 4. Up. Ibasa. Hapit na kuha. Number 9. First attempt is good. Number 6 to number 17 to number 9. Number 9 against number 4. The number 4 of Alma to number 6. Big. Bangga doon na. Rosal. 3-point attempt. Wow, so